Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. First, let's introduce us from Group 7. Would like to present the results of our discussion to fulfill the midterm exam on Stenhouse process model of curriculum theory from the curriculum and syllabus design course. With me, Alinda Madeni and in this presentation, we will focus on the definition by components, applications, advantage, limitation, goals, impact, and conclusion. Okay, the first slide explains how Stenhouse defines curriculum. In 1975, Lawrence Stenhouse defined curriculum as an attempt to communicate the essential principles and features of an educational proposal in such a form that it is open to critical scrutiny and capable of effective translation into practice. This definition was a move towards a broader understanding and approach to curriculum and acknowledge its relation to practice.
Second slide explain the key components. There are several key components to this theory. First, identifying question and aims. The process starts with educators formulating question and aim for the curriculum. These questions could be about student needs, social issues, or the purpose of a specific subject area. Second, implementation and experimentation. The curriculum is then implemented in the classroom setting, often with a pilot or trial run. This allows for experimentation and adaptation based on students' response and learning outcomes. Third component is investigation and research. Teachers then engage in research and investigation to find research, material, and pedagogical approach that align with the identified question and aims. The last component is collaboration and sharing. Teachers share their inquiry questions, plans, observation, and reflection with colleagues. This allows for diverse ideas, strengthens the curriculum, and foster a professional learning community.
The third slide is talk about application this theory in curriculum development. Educators translate this theoretical framework into practical design, decision through a cycle of inquiry and ongoing adaptation. Stenhouse model emphasizes flexibility and adaptation. The curriculum is not a static document but an ongoing process shaped by teacher expertise, students' needs, and the ever-evolving learning environment. It creates a focus for their learning by describing the destination for their journey, although this is not to say that precise learning outcomes are tightly specified. The best teachers usually want to see their students are saving more and going beyond what they might have specified plans, observation, and reflections with colleges. This collaborative approach allows for diverse ideas, strengthens the curriculum, and fosters a professional learning community.
Next, the four slides talk about advantage of this theory. There are, of course, many advantages that we can take from this theory in this educational curriculum. One of the most significant advantages of Stenhouse model is its emphasis on teacher expertise. By actively involving educators in the curriculum development process, it acknowledge their deep knowledge of their subject area and their students' specific needs. Teachers become curriculum designer, not simply delivers of predetermined content. This fosters a sense of ownership and investment in the learning process, leading to a more authentic and engaging curriculum for both educator and students. It creates a focus for their learning by describing the destination for their journey, although this is not to say that precise learning outcomes are tightly specified. The best teachers usually want to see their students achieving more and going beyond what they might have specified. This process is not done in isolation. Educators share their inquiry questions, plans, observation, and reflection with colleges. This collaborative approach allows for diverse ideas, strengthens the curriculum, and fosters a professional learning community.
The first slides talk about the limitation of this theory. One of the most significant advantages of Stenhouse model it is emphasized on teacher expertise by actively involving educators in the curriculum development process. It acknowledges their deep knowledge of their subject area and their student-specific needs. Teachers become curriculum designers, not simply delivers of predetermined content. This fosters a sense of ownership and investment in the learning process, leading to a more authentic and engaging curriculum for both educators and students. Another challenge is the domain placed on teacher expertise. Senha's model assumes a high level of pedagogical content or knowledge from educators. Teachers need to be comfortable with curriculum research, critical reflection, and adapting instruction to meet students' needs. Educators who lack these skills or haven't received proper training may struggle to implement the model effectively.
Next, this slide shows the goals of this theory. Stenhouse process model can potentially align well with various learning goals, particularly those emphasize critical thinking and problem solving. The inquiry-based nature of the model encourages students to ask questions, investigate, and analyze information, fostering critical thinking skills. The second, independent learning. Students take ownership of their learning by actively participating in the curriculum development process, developing valuable research and self-directed learning skills. Third, creativity and innovation. The focus on exploration and discovery allows students to think outside the box and develop creative solutions to problems. Last, lifelong love of learning. By fostering curiosity and intrinsic motivation, the process model can cultivate a lifelong love of learning that extends beyond the classroom. The next slide is impacting this theory. The, its impact consists of first, student engagement and ownership, critical thinking and problem solving, empowering teachers as reflective practitioners, and tailored learning and increased relevance.
Last slide is conclusion of Stenhouse theory. Stenhouse process model of curriculum theory challenged the traditional rigid approach to education. It prioritized the learning journey itself, with teachers and students actively involved in exploration and discovery. This model empowers teachers to become curriculum designers, tailoring lessons to students' needs and interests. This collaboration fosters a more inclusive learning environment and ignites a passion for learning. However, implementing this approach requires dedicated planning time and strong pedagogical skills from educators. Despite this challenge, Stenhouse model offers a path towards a more dynamic and engaging curriculum where both educators and students become active participants in the learning process. Okay, everyone, those are all the presentation we have discussed, and we think that enough. Thank you for watching and also listen this video. We'll end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.